Welcome to our guide on using alternating pressure air mattress, vital in preventing and managing pressure ulcers, commonly known as bed sores. Understanding pressure ulcers. Pressure ulcers are injuries to the skin and underlying tissue resulting from prolonged pressure on the skin. They're prevalent among individuals with limited mobility, such as those confined to a bed or wheelchair. These ulcers can lead to serious infections and prolonged hospital stays. Prevention is key, and that's where alternating pressure air mattresses come into play. Why use an alternating pressure air mattress? Alternating pressure air mattresses are designed to redistribute pressure by inflating and deflating air cells in a timed sequence. This promotes blood flow and reduces the risk of skin breakdown. By continuously changing pressure points, these mattresses provide a dynamic support surface, enhancing patient comfort and safety. Unboxing the mattress system. Inside the box you will get a pump, user manual and air mattress. Air mattress comes with dual-way quick CPR valve, air tubes and cover sheet. You can opt for a semi-digital and digital pump with air mattress. Setting up the air mattress. Lay the mattress flat on the bed frame, ensuring the foot symbol and air tubes are positioned at the foot end. Check the CPR valve to make sure it is closed. Attach the mattress securely using the provided straps or flaps to prevent movement. Hang the pump using the hooks at the foot or side of the bed. Connect the air mattress to the pump unit by pushing the integrated air hose into the air ports until you hear it click securely. Connect the power cord at the side of the pump. Plug the pump into a power outlet and turn on the main power switch on the side of the pump unit. Press the power button to operate the pump. The auto firm LED will begin to flash indicating the pump is inflating the air mattress. Allow the pump unit to finish inflating, which typically takes about 10 to 20 minutes without changing the mode of the pump. When the pump unit finishes inflating, the air mattress LED will display IA, which stands for inflation ending. A caregiver may change the setting of the pump unit by holding the lockout button to unlock the control units. The softness and firmness of the air mattress can be adjusted by pressing the soft or firm button. The alternate mode cycle time can be selected from 10 to 30 minutes. Press the mode button on the display panel to select the alternate, static or CLP mode for the mattress. The pump has static and auto firm mode for quick inflation. Press soft and firm buttons at same time to activate the auto detection mode that adjusts pressure based on patient weight. The control panel has audio-visual alarm for low pressure, power failure and service. Cells are inflated and deflated alternately. Only the first 3 cells remain inflated for the whole time of use as they are head or pillow cells. Use the strap handle to lift and transfer the patient on the other bed. This can be used for transportation of the patient. Use the transportation cap on the integrated hose to keep the air inside the mattress for 24 hours. Thank you for watching. For detailed instructions and safety guidelines, always refer to the official user manual. Stay safe and stay away from pressure ulcer with Oscillia Air Mattress. If you have any questions, you can email us on sales@dexup.in or call us on +91 738 530 4200.